Hey guys, I'm at Target because I think they're just gonna start to sell plants now. It said that they're gonna sell 10 live plants, 20 fake plants, which I wish those numbers were flipped, but that's okay. And then 35 plant accessories. Plant and plant accessories. We're gonna check it out. I don't know if they're gonna have like a whole thing set up. I have not seen it yet. Before this, I've been seeing like random plants around, but it wasn't like a collection or anything. I don't really know what was going on there, but we're gonna check it out. And then I'm also gonna leave a link because I think only certain Targets have it, and then you can type in your zip code in the thing and it's gonna find a Target for you. So we're gonna see if it's worth it to go check it out. We're walking in. It's Saturday. There's so many people here. I'm recording on my phone. But, oh my gosh, they actually have plants. This is crazy. What? I feel like they're gonna be so expensive though. Okay. Monstera deliciosa, $30. And I feel like it already has a nice little pot and everything. Birds of Paradise, also $30. Oh, and they have cute little succulents. I feel like they just made it look fancy. How much are these? Doesn't say. Haworthia, Echeveria, and then what is this? Propagation vessel. Oh my goodness. $8. Oh, I feel like that's not too bad, but I don't know if I'm paying that much for a propagation thing. I'll stick to my Taco Bell cups. These rocks, $10. These would make a really pretty top dressing. And then, what is this? Preserved moss, $10. I feel like it's because the bottle is nice, but this doesn't look like that much moss. It's really green though. And then they have Fiddle Leaf Figs for $30. I think it's a little bit more expensive than Home Depot, but this pot is really nice. They all have the same like black plastic pot, and it has a tray that you can remove, and it also has the nursery pot inside, which is kind of like exactly the same ones that are at Home Depot, honestly. And snake plants. How much are these? Oh, these are ceramic. I don't know how much they are, and they have a little, oh. I don't think it's removable. And this looks struggling. There's also some little moldy mold, but that's okay. This kind of reminds me of like a prettier IKEA. Oh, a little mister. Honestly, you guys, I don't like misting my plants at all, but this is a cute one. Like a nice amber honey color, $20. I guess this is a little greenhouse. How do you open it? Watch me break it. Oh, from the side. From the side, put your little plants in there. $30. Oh, terrarium. Okay, and then we're just gonna try and close it. There we go. Easy peasy. ZZ plant here. Oh, everything. I don't know. This is what it says. So they tell you what happened with the rest? So this is apparently a limited time thing too, but there are blue star ferns. I like how they have the actual names on here and not like, hello, my name is Houseplant. And it's like, okay, but what actually are you? And these are in the real ceramic ones too. These are so pretty like this. And here's some enjoys, little enjoy babies. What? Oh, they even have the, this is not a, what? Maybe I don't know the scientific name of an enjoy, but they have a scientific name too, which is really cool. On the succulents, they don't, but that's okay. These are the accessories parts. The plant stands.
Yeah, the only cooler
25. I feel like I've seen him before, but I don't know where. There's also an apron. I've never like worn an apron to garden, but I don't know, feeling a little bit extra maybe, or if you actually garden outside, I think that would be useful. Here are all the fake plants. I wish they were real. Like, imagine if this huge Adansonii was real. They do look pretty fake too, which is sad. These look real, but they're not. I guess if you don't have a green thumb, then it's good for you. Propagation vessel. How much is this? I feel like I know this guy from somewhere. $20. This is cute. $15. This watering can is $25. Look at this terrarium. It's so tall. It's like 4.5 feet. It is $100 though. Might as well get like an IKEA cabinet for $100 though. I think this is a fake rubber tree. Oh, look how cute these pots are. I've been skipping them so many times. These are really pretty. Okay, so the bottom layer right here is the drainage tray. And then it also has a drainage hole inside. That is so freaking cute. I kind of want one of these. 20 bucks. And the bigger one over here. I want the big one. 40. $40. And there's some more fake plants here. I'm honestly not. Oh, here's a real one hidden among them. This is really cute. $35. No drainage hole, so it would be a cash pill. Or you can drill a drainage hole yourself. And a little basket to maybe use. This is really lightweight. Let's see. This is not part of the collection, but I just thought it's $10. Oop. On the other side here. Propagation thing. Small baby one. Oh, it has like all this hardware stuff. Let's see. Don't know how much it is, but there we go. And oh, look how freaking cute this is. This isn't part of the collection either, but imagine if this was a real plant. That's adorable. There's also black pots, like the brown ones down there, but they're black and smaller. I think that's everything. And then the rest is just like normal Target stuff. I know I already kind of included normal Target stuff in here, but this is really cute. I like it. So there you have it. They got some really cute plants. I feel like they have this whole cute, obviously Target thing going on. I'm not sure like where Target is. It might be only in the States, but I feel like Target is such a fun place to go, and I always get sucked in buying skincare and makeup when like I don't need it, but I'm still buying it. So I feel like it's gonna have the same effect for plants because they just look so pretty and like so aesthetically pleasing. that it doesn't have that same like effect in like Home Depot or Lowe's, but hopefully it'll get more people into plants, right? But yeah, hopefully you liked the video. Like I said, I'm gonna have the link where you can check to see if your Target has it if you just want to look at it. I really like the pots and I want to get one, but I don't know, I feel like I don't have a plant for it yet, but when I find a plant for the pot, then I'll definitely get it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and you can subscribe for more plant content. But yeah, that's it. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.